Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Polo Life 1.0 TSI with 95 horsepower and a sleek grey exterior. This hatchback is not only stylish, but also loaded with features for your comfort and safety. With air conditioning, Bluetooth, cruise control and more, you'll enjoy every drive. The security features like ABS, airbags, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking provide peace of mind on the road. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Visit laharts.ie or call us today to learn more about this fantastic Polo Life 1.0 TSI 95 M5.